How to add emoji sticker in NanoBanana.AI. Want to make your image extra fun? Let's see how you can add emoji stickers using NanoBanana.ai. First, on your laptop, open your favorite web browser and in the search bar, type nanobanana.ai. Once the website loads, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now, scroll down until you see AI editor. Here you will find options like image to image, text to image. To add emoji sticker, select the image to image options and upload a photo you want to edit. Next, in the main prompt box, you can type something like add a smiling face emoji sticker on the corner or add heart emoji above the head. Be specific with your instruction. NanoBanana.ai will generate your image with those emoji stickers right on it. Once you are happy, tap Generate Now and the AI will process your request. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready with the emoji you asked for. If you want more stickers, just adjust prompt and try again until it looks perfect. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.